If you're looking for the best HR management courses on Coursera, you may be wondering which course is worth taking. In this review, I'll cover the top HR management courses and who they're best for. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. One of the best choices is Human Resource Management, HR for People Managers from the University of Minnesota. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.8-star rating with more than 16,000 reviews. You'll learn recruitment, performance management, compensation, employee onboarding, workforce planning, talent acquisition, and HR strategy. Another excellent option is HRCI Human Resource Associate. This beginner professional certificate has a 4.8-star rating with over 3,400 reviews. It covers talent acquisition, employee training, compensation and benefits, performance management, compliance, employee relations, and HR fundamentals. If you want practical HR skills in a shorter course, consider HR Management Fundamentals, Recruitment to Development. This intermediate course has a 4.7-star rating. You'll learn recruitment, succession planning, employee engagement, HR technology, talent management, HR policies, and workforce development. For professionals looking to build modern HR skills, Microsoft HR Manager Professional Certificate is another strong choice. This advanced certificate teaches employee coaching, HR technology, Microsoft Copilot, HR information systems, process improvement, business automation, and data-driven decision-making. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you plan to study HR, leadership, business, project management, or communication, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of $59 per month. If you're ready to start learning, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.